I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Wrangler versus Mahindra Thar, which is better. Pause the video at any point to compare specs and photos. I'll walk through design, off-road ability, engine choices, comfort, and ownership costs so you can decide which fits your needs. Expect clear comparisons, practical pros and cons, and tips for test drives. Keep an eye on ground clearance, cargo space, and service network when making your choice. Let's break down performance in friendly, simple terms so you can hear the practical differences. We'll cover engine types, gearboxes, and real-world fuel use, plus how each handles steep climbs and technical trails. I explain torque versus horsepower trade-offs and what that means for daily driving or weekend adventures. Listen for tips on test driving to feel which setup fits your style and needs. If you're enjoying the comparison, please subscribe and like to support future videos and honest reviews. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for lunches on the trail and packing snacks for long drives. See the product mentioned in the description for the link and current deals, and snag one if it helps your road trips. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we focus on practicality with a warm, useful overview you can act on. We'll compare interior space, cargo options, and seating comfort for passengers. I also cover dealer reach, maintenance costs, and typical service intervals to help predict ownership expenses. Finally, I highlight safety and convenience features that matter most for families or adventurers deciding between the two models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.